The 2009 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, MP3 playback stereo, rear window defroster, 8-way power driver's seat, brake park interlock, intermittent wipers, remote trunk release, power seat, tilt steering wheel, rear wheel drive, body color door handles, rear spoiler. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.